Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you're fine. Today we learn alphabets. Meet the letter A. Its sound eh, eh. Say eh. Now let's meet the object. Start with letter A. A is for alligator. Eh, alligator. Eh, alligator. A is for apricot. A, apricot. A, apricot. A is for aeroplane. A, aeroplane. A, aeroplane. A is for apple. A, apple. A, apple. You know, apple have three colors: red, green, and yellow color. A is for aunt, aunt, aunt. So, my dear students, you are notice the sound alligator, apricot, aeroplane, apple, and aunt is eh, eh. Say eh. So, keep learning with your friends.